channel. Today we're going to do video number 2 of the Tim Burton series. So, I apologize for how disgusting my hair looks right now, and I apologize for how disgusting my eyebrows look right now. Honestly, I need to pluck them, but this is always what happens. Whenever I need to clean this up, I can't find the damn tweezers anywhere. Guaranteed I'll find them after this video. Remember in past videos when I said that I suck at covering my eyebrows, therefore I'm just gonna use the cream paint to cheat and skip that step? Well, for this one, I kind of need to cover my eyebrows, unfortunately. So I was actually obligated to go out to the store and buy purple glue stick for the first time in like 2 years. Glue sticks in hand. That did not work. Of course, we struggle on this channel. That's the basis of the content on here. All aboard the struggle bus. Whilst I attempt to badly cover up my eyebrows, hopefully it turns out good this time, I will do other parts of the makeup look that is a necessity. So I'll walk you guys through it. I know exactly how you're supposed to cover your eyebrows. I'm just impatient throughout the entire process, which is probably why I have not had a single successful time doing it. But I know what you're supposed to do. So, boom, first step done. Hey creeps, welcome back. So the first thing you're going to want to do is drown your eyebrows in that purple glue stick. And then you are going to try to get it down as smooth as possible. I also forgot to tell you what I'm turning myself into today. So today I'm going to be turning myself into me. Me if I were a Tim Burton character. This was a popular trend last year. And last year I already had a set list of characters and things that I wanted to do, because I basically write out my list for the following year the day after Halloween. I already knew what I was going to do, and I wanted to do it last year, but I was just like, no, you have to push something back a whole nother year if you don't do it this year. So yeah, we're doing it this year. But I guess it does. There is another thing that makes this kind of perfect for me to do it this year, because there's a little bit of controversy going on right now based on a statement that Tim Burton has made that affects the community that I am from, the Black community. And it's a certain statement saying that Black people do not fit within my aesthetic. And me, as a Black person, I am a little conflicted about how I feel about the situation, because on one hand I am Black and that statement should offend me, and on the other hand I am a huge ass Tim Burton fan. Like, I respect the fucking hell out of him. I love all of his films. I've seen nearly every film directed by him or created by him. I love him. Now, from a creative standpoint, I understand the aesthetic thing that he's talking about. I understand that 100%. But from a people of color standpoint, I'm just like, wrong, rude and disrespectful, because you know for a fact that we can. But again, I get it. It's an aesthetic thing, and as an artist, I understand that. But there's that little part of me that's like, I should be offended by this. And I'm not going to sit here and pretend that I'm not biased. I am biased. I'm biased because my head is telling me, but you love him, you love his work, you support him. But the other little part of me is like, low-key racist. But there's like also my own personal morals for me, myself, that's saying I'm not going to sit here and take one statement that's very vague on its own and just call him out as racist. I won't do that. I will not do that. You need to give me some concrete evidence that would not make me question it, because I don't fucking know. Yes, there is a very thin line right now within the veil of racism or not. Racist or creative aesthetics. there's a very thin line right here, and I don't know if he's officially crossed it. So I will give him the benefit of the doubt and let him keep creating his craft, like as if I have any power over what he creates anyway. But regardless, if he is racist, will I like him as a person anymore? No, hands down, not at all. But I will still love the work that he produces, because that's just how I am. I know how to separate something I don't like from the product that is created from said whatever thing. Like, also, I will separate the person from the work. There's been things in Hollywood and media and entertainment like that, like the whole Johnny Depp thing with the Amber Heard thing, which I'm not even sure which side was the truth anymore. If Tim Burton ends up being a racist after all, then I can't do anything about it. I'm still respect his work because he is good at his job, but I won't respect him as a person. Okay, end rant. I needed to get it out though. I needed to put my 2 cents in.
Okay, now that that's over, back to the tutorial. After you cover your eyebrows with the glue, you're going to repeat that process of smoothing it down and putting more glue on until you are satisfied, and then you're going to powder your brows to lock it in place, let it dry. Right here, I'm using a orange eyeshadow to attempt to color correct before I put my concealer on over top to really hide my brows. And let me just say that this is actually the first time that I was actually successful at covering them properly 100%. Ugh, I'm lagging. I'm falling behind. So you're going to start wanting to map out the parts of your face that need to be drawn out. Draw circles around your eyes, and right now I'm just filling in that top portion with purple eyeshadow. It doesn't have to be purple. I'm just using my favorite color to put as my new eyeshadow color. And then you're going to fill in the rest of that eye area white, because that is now your new actual eye space. Also, keep in mind that I am using the Makeup Forever Flash Palette. They're cream paints. Make sure you are using any kind of powder like eyeshadow or translucent powder to set them in place, otherwise they will move around everywhere. And this look is inspired by Nicole Guerrero, which she did last year, and she was inspired by Abby Roberts, if I remember correctly. So right here is actually, in my opinion, the hardest part, because you kind of have to close your eyes to be able to draw this.
Name that movie. Someone do it. Eat my shorts.
Okay, let's resume the tutorial again. So right about here, you're going to be chiseling out your cheekbones, make them look sunken in. I struggle with this part too, but we are getting better. That's all that matters. Don't forget to contour your nose. Tim Burton characters have skinny ass noses. And oh my god, I really almost forgot to completely put on eyebrows. Then for the rest of this, you're going to want to black out the excess portion of your neck and shoulder area, because Tim Burton characters also have really ridiculously unrealistic skinny long necks. And then be sure to hollow out any crevices you have in your neck and chest area.
So, just to inform you, my camera was literally about to die, and I needed to fix my hair anyway, so I utilized that time to straighten it a little bit more and to do this cute ass hairstyle, which I have not worn on my straight hair in a very long time. I usually only put this in my curly hair. And I put a corset on over the shit to make it look more goth, like punk-ish. And I fixed some makeup details on here, utilizing that time while my battery was charging so that I can film the rest of this. But And by the rest of this, I mean the intro to this video that you guys have seen before me, because I haven't even recorded it yet. Anyway, so this is the finished look. Wait, hold on, let me close my eyes. So this is the finished look. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, get off my channel. If you want more content like this, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications to know when I upload. I upload every week, and I hope to see you creeps next time. Bye. I can't fucking see, okay?